Hi guys, my name is Manu and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing new year. I haven't filmed in so long and time just flew by for me. I did not do anything in the last 2 months. I went to India for a month, which actually started my laziness, and I got too lazy when I came back to sit down and film a video. But now I'm all geared up and back with a lot of content for you guys. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do fake nails at home. This process is so easy and all you need to do these is a kit like this. I got this one off Amazon and this has some nails and a nail glue, which is literally all you need, and a nail color, of course. So this takes barely 15 to 20 minutes for me. If you're doing it for the first time, it might take like 30-35 minutes, but it's still much less time than going to a salon, plus way cheaper. I think this one was $5 to $6 on Amazon. I'll check and link it below. And if you're in India, I think I can find something similar in amazon.in and link that below. So I usually like to do these whenever I'm going for an event or I'm going on a vacation, because these easily last for 4 to 5 days depending on how much housework you do, and you save your time for salon. And being the lazy person I am, I hate going to salons and sitting there for 1 hour just for getting my nails done. So this is a quick and easy fix for me, and it works really well. So this is how my nails look right now. They are ugly as hell, I know, and it's time I fix them. So that's what today's video is dedicated to, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna take me anywhere around 15 to 20 minutes since I'm pretty rehearsed with these now. So without wasting too much time, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is pick out the nails for your finger sizes and arrange them like so. This really helps while attaching them at the end. This kit actually comes with 10 different sizes. So if your nails are my size or a little bigger or little smaller than mine, I think you're good with this kit. So I have my nails arranged according to my finger sizes, and there's just one thing left to do, attach them. So I am taking my nail glue and putting the smallest dollop on my nail, and then just spreading it out with the nail itself throughout the nail and just sticking the nail to it. This process is so simple and so self-explanatory. I don't even have to say anything here, and you can just follow through the video. So I'm just sticking the nails to all of my fingers. If you are as bad as me in using your left hand, you might want to outsource this step to whoever is next to you, because anybody can do this for you, I think. So I quickly went and did my other hand off camera, and I'm all ready to do my nail paint now. So for today, I'm gonna do 3 nails matte and 2 nails glitter. Another good thing about this nail kit is the nails are not completely transparent, they are actually translucent. So you don't have to go in with 3 to 4 coats of your nail paint. Just one coat is good enough to hide the fact that they are fake. So this nail color that I'm using is a green gray by Nika. This is a matte shade and I'm completely in love with this one. So the other 2 nails, I'm gonna use glitter on them. This is a copper goldish glitter from CoverGirl. I don't remember the shade name. If I find out, I'll write it in the description. So for glitters, you will need to go in with 2 to 3 coats to hide the fakeness of the nail, because glitters don't really cover up too much in the first layer. So that's it, you guys. This is my nails already. Do you see how easy that process was? So these definitely won't last as long as acrylics, but they are good for a good event and a vacation. Also, they harm your nails much less and are way less painful than acrylics when they come off. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, and see you next time.